What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Angele. Am I good? Am I good? Okay, I'm Angele Altieri if this is your first time here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have some Bad Bunny Crocs. I'm faking the funk, and I have them in the bag as if I haven't worn them for the past 3 days. But if you're interested in getting to know about these, then you know the deal, you know the drill, and you know the vibes. Let's get it. So these Crocs came out on the Crocs website September 29th, and the Finish Line website, and like some Latin retailers, like sister retailers, whatever, for $60 USD. I think they released at like 12 p.m. PST. I did get them from the Crocs website, and I did get them in a men's 4, women's 6, just like my Chinatown Market Crocs. If you don't know, if you haven't seen any of my other sneaker videos, I'm a women's 6.5 and usually men's 5. I feel like every other brand like Nike and Adidas is 1.5 sizing down from women's to men's, but Crocs is 2 sizes down and there are no half sizes. So I haven't found an issue going like down half a size and getting the women's 6, but I don't know how big a women's 7 would be, you know what I mean? So that's my tea on the sizing for Crocs. Mine's looking a little poopy. So yeah, a little bit about Bad Bunny. He's Puerto Rican. He's a Pisces. Pisces matters to me, and he's about 4 years older than I am. So he's 26, and his real name, he has like 5 names, is Benito Antonio Martinez Ocasio, like Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez co-votes. Yeah, so he is Puerto Rican. I am 2nd generation American Puerto Rican, but you know, he's full-fledged honey, and that's about it on him. He's a Latin trap artist and a reggaeton artist. My favorite song is Solo de Mi. My favorite song, I think, his 2018 album, I think. Yeah. So about the Crocs, this is the bag it comes in. I kept it just to make this video. It has his signature bunny logo. I have been wearing them, so apologies. These are a white glow-in-the-dark clog with glow-in-the-dark gibbets. But the gibbets glow in the dark more easily than the Croc itself, than the shoe itself, and they are inspired by the things, you know, the things that we used to have on our ceilings, because I had it. If you're a 90s kid, you had it. The stars and the planets. I had that. There might be some remnants though, actually, of those. So yeah, we have stars, planets, the bunny, flame, and this like construction worker. Maybe I should put it this way. Huh? And the construction worker in Spanish, this is like caution, like a twerking zone. And then there's a yellow enamel detailing with the bunny and like a rainbow ring. So yeah, the gibbets are inspired by that. His childhood, what he had on his ceiling as he was a kid, or when he was a kid. So yeah, that's the end of this video. After my outro, I'll put in some on feeds and hopefully show you what it looks like in the dark. I don't know how dark my room will get right now, but we shall see. Yeah, so hope you guys like this video. Comment down below, did you cop? Did you wish you copped? And what's your favorite Bad Bunny song or album? Comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button down below. Comment, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy, bunny, bad bunny baby. Conejo malo coño. Curse. Will you know that I curse? I don't know. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like me and you like this video, share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter, and link all my social media down below, and link my website down below if you're interested in a Jelly's treasure box, which is my very own makeup mystery box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to catch you in the next one. Bye.